Tired of never having enough light to put on your makeup just right? Sick of not being able to see up close when you need to the most? Then you need My Foldaway Mirror, the lighted double-sided vanity mirror with 10 times magnification. My Foldaway Mirror features super bright LEDs on both mirror sides for picture-perfect illumination. Plus, it's full-frame distortion-free, so you can see your face naturally. Then rotates to a powerful 10-time magnification on the other side. Now, close-up work is easier than ever. From applying makeup and trimming your eyebrows to putting on mascara and doing up-close inspections. And you'll love this. It takes up virtually no space on your countertop, making getting ready clutter-free and easy. Extending to a full 13 inches high, My Foldaway Mirror comes to you, so you don't have to lean into. It's so lightweight and compact that it saves space anyplace. Plus, My Foldaway Mirror has a built-in organizer, so accessories are always within reach. My Foldaway Mirror turns any